Book that solo trip. Leave them and their excuses in 2024. Work on your credit, boo, so you can use the afterpay to book the solo trip. Don't make anybody a priority who only makes you an option. Stop repeating yourself. They heard you the first time last year. One place we not going this year is back and forth. Oh, that's 2 places, huh? Simply respond, okay, and let your actions do the talking. Before I continue, if anybody cares, I got this wig from Empress Hair. Majority of the braided wigs you have seen me wear has been from this company. So if you happen to check them out, make sure you tell them that I sent you. Here's the inspirational picture I sent them, and this is what I got. Speak up for yourself. Don't be combative, but let them know. And if they can't respect it, be so unbothered when you have to let them go or they decide to. That wasn't for you, no way. Failed relationships, friendships doesn't make you a failure. It simply means the lesson or reason or season was learned and you no longer serve a purpose in each other's lives. Toodles. There's truth in jokes. Pay attention. Live in the moment because the next is not promised. Forgive them for your peace, but don't forget they knew exactly what they did. How are you trying to compare yourself to a snippet of what people choose to show you on social media? Honey, you have no idea, for real. Their problem with you has nothing to do with you, usually, and everything to do with them. Projection at its best. Don't pay them no mind. That's exactly what they want you to do. You are exactly where you need to be. Period. Be happy that they left because you knew that relationship ran its course, yet you was holding on by a thread, forcefully trying to make it. Rejection is a form of protection. Your peace is God, not in man, not in friend, not in fam. The sooner you realize they are human just like you and can never provide or take anything from you, only God can, the better off you will be. Pay attention to the way people treat the people around them. They won't treat you any different. I promise you. Stop letting your past define you. You must move on. We all make mistakes. The problem is when you keep making the same mistake. Accountability only feels like an attack when you aren't adult enough to recognize that your behind was the cause and problem. Move in silence because many are preying on your downfall. It's sad, but it's true. The spirit of discernment never fails. The way you feel is valid. Take heed and move accordingly. It's okay to only celebrate your birthday this year. Stop overextending yourself. They don't owe you anyway. And as soon as you stop expecting you out of people, the sooner they won't be able to disappoint you any longer. Say no and stand on business. Let's normalize leaving after the first red flag. I know it's easier said than done, but let's try this collectively. Pause before you answer, respond, react. You can't control their behavior, but you can certainly not give them the satisfaction and control yours. It's okay not to be okay. Just don't ever give up. Aging is a privilege denied to so many. Be grateful you made it to see this age. So many people didn't. Monitoring spirits is a thing. Block them. Unfollow you for them. It's weird as hell for them to watch every move, be the first one to watch a story, but don't ever interact with it. Weird energy. Many people are learning from you in private, but won't ever give you your props in public. Be okay with that. People are weird as hell. I think I just said that. We all grown, right? Normalize staying out of other grown folks' business. Stop accepting apologies that don't include changed behavior. Stop laughing when you're uncomfortable. Instead, stare them down. Don't blink. Make them feel just uncomfortable as they tried to make you feel. Trying to fix everything and everybody is only breaking you. If nobody else told you they love you, trust and believe I do. Sending virtual hugs. Happy New Year.